This is probably one of the simplest recipes you're ever going to make, but it does require a bit of patience and a bit of arm power. This is delicious, sweet Ghanaian condensed milk toffee. So I have a pan here and I start by adding some oil, and then I'm going to add in about 400 milliliters of condensed milk. I am using a medium temperature for the entire recipe. So pretty much you're just going to spend about half an hour whisking this milk toffee around, and you'll find that over time it's going to get darker and it's going to harden a bit. What you can actually do to check that it's the right texture is break off a small piece and drop it in lukewarm water. This essentially is going to be the texture that the milk toffee will become once cooled. Now it's just about shaping it. So I've got some oil and I've put it on a chopping board, and I'm just going to start to roll and chop my condensed milk toffee. Now it's going to be hot, so just keep that in mind and be careful. If it ever gets a bit hard to deal with, then just add some more oil, and that will allow you to keep playing around with it. You also want to add some oil to your knife as well, otherwise it can be a bit tough to cut. Once that's done, you just want to let it cool down and it's going to darken a bit more, and then you're going to get these sweet little bits of condensed milk toffee. It's a super simple and super tasty recipe. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.